Good job. That's B. B is for bird. Good job. Can you put the B? Here, Pravir. Good job. Okay, here. First we'll finish with the B. Here, put the B. Put the B. Good job. Now point to B. Where is B? Now point to B. Pravir will point to B. B. B says bird. B. Where is B? No, bete. Point to B. Where is B? No, this is H. Point to B. This is B. This is B.